Good afternoon from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern, lower, and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Tuesday, May the 28th. Hazardous weather highlights really focused on thunderstorm chances with some isolated storms possible this evening south of M55. No severe weather expected with those, and then additional thunderstorms possible at various times Wednesday through Saturday. On the current weather map, a warm front draped across the central portions of Michigan with a large area of mainly light rain over northern Michigan. This area of light rain is pushing off toward the east. We'll be exiting our area early this evening, leaving behind drizzle and just some pockets of very light rain for the overnight hours. The forecast weather map as we get toward Wednesday evening, that warm front which was draped across the central portions of the state moves a little further to the north. As it does so, as it comes into our area, there'll be additional chances of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night into the first part of Thursday. Once we get into the warm air, though, behind this warm front, fairly warm, humid day expected on Thursday. Highs in many areas well into the 80s with dew points into the 60s, so some humidity in the air. By Friday, changes around the way. A cold front poised just to the west of the area, a large area of low pressure over the upper Midwest, and that will be moving into the area this weekend with additional chances of showers and thunderstorms as well as much cooler conditions. Now here's a look at rainfall expected through the day on Friday, and you can see that some of the heaviest rains are going to be to the south and to the west of our area, but still possibilities of a half an inch to an inch of rain over portions of northern Michigan over the next several days. By Sunday, that cold front has moved through the area. Still possibly some light precipitation occurring, but for the most part, the rain will be moving away. Much cooler conditions. High temperatures on Sunday may struggle to only reach 60 degrees or maybe the low 60s with a breeze. So quite a bit cooler conditions. And then high pressure, which you see off here to the west, moving into the area for early next week with gradually moderating temperatures. So an unsettled week of weather. For tonight, we've got sort of a damp and gray night. That rain will be ending. An isolated thunderstorm chance south of M55. Mild temperatures, generally in the 50s. And additional thunderstorms are expected at times Wednesday through Saturday, with that warmest day coming Thursday and then cooler conditions over the weekend. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. I thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.